Hi, this is CJdropshipping. Get product information, accurate product display, latest trending news, and price comprehension all in one video. Are you looking for your winning products? After watching this video, you will know what to sell and scale up your store. Foldable laptop stand. This foldable laptop stand is a trouble-saving product for laptop user. The product comes with all English packaging in one instruction. Simply attach the pad to the bottom of the laptop as the product's image show in the instruction. Then adjust the position as the customer desire, like 15 degrees or 25 degrees. When you don't use it, it can always back to the flat position. Product weighs 110 grams. The flag shape made it hard to be deformed and damaged during the transport, which will lower the future dispute rate. It's an evergreen product with no seasonality and country preference. It can be sold all year in all the countries, suitable for office niche or electronic accessories. It can be sold with other laptop accessories to increase dropshipping value. It's a high perceived value product with a good profit margin. When we take a look at Google trends for laptop stand, there is an obvious increase in the USA. If we expand the range worldwide, even though there is a slight difference, but the heat continues to rise in Singapore, Australia, Ireland, United Kingdom, and New Zealand. Other related keywords are also soaring. If we check the laptop stand in AliExpress, most similar products are metal bracket stands, which have certain weight and are not easy to carry. This product is adhesive, lightweight, easy to carry, can attach and remove with ease and left no mark. It costs $13.04 product price plus $5.12 AliExpress standard shipping to the USA. The total cost in Ali is $18.16. However, CJ has a gold, pink, and a gray 3 colors and only costs $10.83 in CJ dropshipping. The best shipping method is CJ packet sensitive. It takes about 10 to 15 days to the USA and costs $4.94. The total dropshipping value is $15.77, much lower than Ali. It currently has 151 lists.